Next video visual effects is corner rounding. For example, we have two video that we are scale it and we want to add a corner to that, or image, for example. Going to the media, open an image, bring it here. It's too big, make it smaller, and here you can add a corner to that. For better seeing the background, I prefer to go into the project and a little bit lighting the background. Okay, apply. And you can add, go into the visual effects and corner rounding, for example, to this image. And it's here. You can click on it, or you can see with these handles, you can tell, okay, which part of image or video do you want to affect. And increase the number of the radius. You can see we have corner effect there. Very simple. With this turning on, turning off all of them, it means you cannot assign corner to any corner of that. This corner, you can add it. This corner, you can add it. So you can add to any corner that you want. You can assign, you can make it on the top of this. You can assign this corner again to this video. Also select it, radius, and boom. You can see you can go further in some cases. And which part do you want to assign that corner? You can choose it. That's it.